Grain markets were mixed after the WASDE report. Brian Grete with Pro Farmer is joining us. And Brian, not a lot of reaction to the WASDE report, but if you look at it, we did see maybe a little bit of bearishness compared to expectations in some of the numbers, didn't we?
Yeah, I think so. The market was anticipating that both corn and soybean ending stocks would come down based on the March 1 stocks estimates, and we didn't get that. USDA punted on both of those and left ending stocks unchanged. On the wheat side of things, the ending stocks went up more than what was anticipated, but like you said, not enough to really move the market. So basically, the price levels we were at going into the reports is where we finished up the day. And so not much market reaction there.
Yeah, and from a technical standpoint, both Kansas City wheat, it looked like, and maybe corn ran up into resistance. Corn up in that 100-day moving average. Couldn't take that out, could it?
Yeah, and I think that those are critical levels. We got some fundamental things to sort out here, obviously, with the HRW crop struggling, historically low crop ratings for springtime. The market needs to sort out how many of those acres will get harvested, what the yield will be, what the production number will be, and those types of things over the course of the coming weeks. And so the technicals will play a greater role there in determining short-term price action. I think on the corn side of things, somewhat similar, just dealing with a different set of fundamentals, trying to figure out if we can get those 92 million acres that USDA estimated will be planted to corn, planted because of some of the flooding issues in the upper Midwest, northwestern Corn Belt, northern plains, those areas. Also down in the Delta and southeast. And so that'll be something that the market pays attention to fundamentally, but the technicals will help dictate near-term price action.
Soybeans and meal trading a little higher. Is that market maybe trading a little bit like we're under 200 million bushel ending stocks, or was there something else that kind of drove a little bit of that price appreciation?
Yeah, so our estimate is under 100 or under 200 million bushels at 185 million, and so we do think the USDA will come down, even though it didn't this month. And the other factor today was that Argentina suspended or allowed exporters to suspend or push back by 60 days soybean exports, and so that put a charge into the market early on, but that price spike above $15 wasn't sustained.
All right, thanks for joining us. Brian Grete with Pro Farmer. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.